Welcome back to my channel, Drinking Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this fun little math problem that says find the value of m where second root of 2 plus second root of m equals 2. What way should we start the solution? To start the solution, I'm going to transpose this second root of 2 to the right side. So it is going to be, let me write here, left side we have second root of m equals right side, this 2 minus this second root of 2. Next step, I'm going to raise both sides to the power of 2. So it is going to be left side second root of m to the power of 2 equals this one, which means 2 minus second root of 2 to the power of 2. Left side, these two has exponent, this square root can be cancelled off. So here I write m, this one a minus b to the power of 2. To solve this, I'm going to follow this algebraic identity that says a minus b squared is going to be first term squared minus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. So I'm going to follow these to solve this. It is going to be first term squared, which means 2 to the power of 2 minus twice of the product of the first term and second term, 2 times second root of 2 plus second term squared. So we have this one. Let's continue simplifying. The m is going to be, look, first term, this one, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, right? Minus 2 times 2, 4. So I write here minus 4 times this second root of 2 plus these two as exponent, this square root can be cancelled off. So here we have 2. Let's see what do we have. Left side we have m equals 4 plus 2, 6 minus 4 square root of 2. So this is going to be the value of m, or the answer of this equation. But we need to see this is a valid answer or not. To do this, it is enough we plug this in our original equation. So it is going to be second root of 2 plus second root of m, which means 6 minus 4 second root of 2. This is left side equals right side 2. So if our left side and right side are equal, we can say this is valid answer. If not, this is not valid answer. So I'm waiting for your answers in the comments below. Tell me, is this a valid answer or not? Have fun.